You have chosen concrete pavers for their long-lasting beauty. However, this high-quality material is not impervious to oil and other substances that can stain. Pavers are also subject to the effects of use, weather, and time that will prematurely age them. Cleaning and protecting your pavers soon after the initial installation will allow you to preserve and even enhance your investment's original appearance. Ask for Techniseal products, the best choice to clean and protect your concrete pavers and slabs. Cleaning and sealing older pavers that have become dull will also help bring them back to life. Techniseal treatment for concrete pavers and slabs is carried out in 3 steps. First, cleaning, which consists in removing stains with the appropriate removers. Second, surface preparation with Paver Prep HD. And third, application of a protective sealant. In this video, we will discuss stain removal and surface preparation. Before starting to work, make sure that you have all necessary products and tools at hand. You will need a small scrub brush, a stiff broom, and a hose with an adjustable nozzle, protective gloves, and appropriate clothing. Next, locate and identify stains to be removed. Remove oil, rust, paint, and other stains one at a time using the appropriate products. For organic stains such as dead leaves, blood, wine, and non-greasy food stains, use Techniseal's Organic Stain Remover. Into a plastic watering can, dilute between 10 and 20 scoops of remover in 1 quart of water. Apply a generous amount of diluted organic stain remover on the stain. Let work 5 to 10 minutes. Scrub the stain using a small scrub brush. Rinse thoroughly and let dry. Repeat if necessary. To remove rust stains caused by metal objects or even granular fertilizers, use Techniseal's Rust Remover for pavers and slabs. Containing no muriatic acid, this product won't discolor pavers. Always wet the stain before applying Techniseal Rust Remover. Pour remover directly onto the stain, then scrub to dissolve it completely and rinse immediately. Paint, tar, or rubber stains are also easily dissolved with Techniseal's paint, tar, and rubber remover. Cover the stain generously with remover. Let work for 5 to 10 minutes. Using a small scrub brush, scrub until the stain is dissolved. Do not let dry. Rinse immediately. Repeat if necessary. When all stains have been removed, it's time to prepare the surface with Paver Prep HD. In addition to dissolving efflorescence, the white salts that naturally appear on concrete pavers, this Techniseal cleaner dislodges ground-in dirt, making the appearance of pavers uniform while slightly enhancing the color of the pavers. It is therefore highly recommended that you use this product prior to applying the sealant. You will need the following tools: a plastic bucket or watering can to properly mix the solution, a hose, and a stiff broom to scrub in the solution. For pavers showing efflorescence, mix 1 part cleaner to 4 parts water. For pavers just needing cleaning, mix 1 part cleaner to 9 parts water. For smaller jobs, you can use a watering can or the exact sprayer from Techniseal that fits onto a 1-gallon container of Paver Prep HD. For this larger job, we used a bucket with holes in the lid so that it acts like a watering can. To start the application process, first wet the surface and surrounding vegetation. This practice reduces the penetration of HD Paver Prep into sand joints, making the product easier to rinse. Apply the Paver Prep over a 200 square foot section, then scrub the surface with a stiff broom and rinse it immediately and thoroughly until foam disappears. Never let cleaner dry on the surface. Repeat these steps on each section, making sure not to leave any unclean strips. Finish by rinsing the entire surface thoroughly. During this process, make sure to never walk directly on Paver Prep and then onto other surfaces, such as grass or wooden decks, as this could leave footprints on those surfaces. Always wash your shoes off with the hose before walking on other surfaces. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the necessary steps for stain removal and paver preparation. After drying for 24 hours, the surface will be ready for a coat of Techniseal CB Plus Color Boost Paving Protector, which we will cover in the next video.